Alright, today's gonna be a really short one because I have something to do. Wait, did we just skip the intro? Let's go back. Alright, so I was saying, I've got something great on my mind. It has something to do with this. A friend of mine, AJ Hanwinkle, gave me an idea about exploding bananas. So that's what we're gonna go do today. Let's go! Yeah! That was it? Gosh! At least I gotta say banana out. New Black Ops saying. Well, as you can see, the test didn't really explode that much, but I fixed it. And now I'm gonna go use it on someone I know. Now. Okay, it's banana break or take time. Granny!
Yes,
Hey, I got the bananas you asked for.
but I didn't ask for any bananas.
Better run fast. Better run fast. You will be missed, Granny. But since I'm lazy today, I'm only gonna answer one question. So, question from... Gosh, I don't even have my computer out. Guess I'm trying to free do it. I think it was Cute Chick, number. And your question was, why does glue not stick to the inside of this bottle? And I can't find the answer anywhere. So, what better yet to get the answer from Mr. Glue himself. Cutscene. Mr. Glue, you can tell me this the easy way or the hard way? Not talking. Well, I didn't want to show you this, but we also have your son! What was that? Yep, I'll take the answers, and I'll let him go. You just cough him up. After hours of torturing, I finally got the answer. Magic jelly beans. They even gave me some samples!